Hello friends, welcome to Quality Hub India. Myself Aryan Vishwakarma, and today in this session we are going to learn about 20 reasons why an individual should go for a Six Sigma certification program or why the company should be running a Six Sigma program. Now before going to the content of today's topic, I would request to the viewers, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. You also click on the bell icon. Share your comment in the comment box for improvisation of our future videos. If you want me to make any specific video, you can write down in the comment. Today's topic is about why an individual should go for a Six Sigma certification or why the company should be sponsoring for a Six Sigma program. So I have chosen here 20 reasons. First reason, applicability across industries. So when we talk about Six Sigma program, this can be applied across manufacturing as well as service industry. It doesn't matter whether you are working in a manufacturing or which kind of manufacturing industry, whether you are in textile or in automotive manufacturing or equipment manufacturing, or you are in service industry, BPO, APO or ITITS, does not matter. Six Sigma methodology can be applied across industry. So it has wide applicability. The second reason is it certainly helps in improving the analytical ability of the person. Now, during the course of Six Sigma program, whether it is a Six Sigma green belt or a black belt program or a master black belt program, lots of statistical tools, analytical tools are being taught. So the person going through a training program learns about many analytical tools. He understands how to collect data, how to analyze data, how to interpret data, and how to conclude and take actions. So he improves his analytical skills. When a person improves his analytical skills, he talks logical. Third reason is it helps improve financial knowledge. During the course of Six Sigma training program, the person needs to take a Six Sigma project. Now, Six Sigma is being so far successful because most of the Six Sigma projects impact the bottom line of the organization. Now, during the course of Six Sigma project identification and the executions also, lots of data calculations like calculations of product cost, calculation of roll throughput yield, calculation of return on investment, payback period. So many financial elements are being calculated. So the person understands some of the financial aspects and improves his financial knowledge. The fourth reason, develops better business sense. During the course of Six Sigma program, green belt or black belt needs to take up some project which directly or indirectly relates to the business. The projects are basically taken which have some relationship with the business processes. So while working on the project, the person develops some business sense. He understands which project is important to the business, which is not important to the business, which product is important, what kind of defect is important, what kind of program or process impacts customer. So he gets lots of insight to the business. So it improves his business sense. The fifth reason is he becomes a better leader. As a Six Sigma project leader, the person needs to lead a project. So when he needs to lead a project, there are so many team members working with him. So he understands how to work with a team, how to make a plan, how to execute a plan, how to give responsibility, how to monitor, how to take corrective action. So it improves many a way his leadership skills. Sixth reason is it improves his problem solving skills. Six Sigma is a process of problem solving. DMAC or DMA-DB approach is being used for solving the process. So the person understands how to select a problem, how to plan, how to execute, and how to bring the project to a logical conclusion. So it improves his problem solving skills. Seventh reason to go for a Six Sigma certification is it improves customers' confidence. Now, during the course of Six Sigma program, lots of projects are being identified and executed. Many of them directly or indirectly impacts to the customer, whether it is a productivity improvement project, whether it is a defect reduction project, or any other project. So somehow it relates to the customer, and customers are positively impacted. So customers are happy. Most of the cases wherever customer sees that a Six Sigma program is running in any of the organization, or Six Sigma green belt or black belt leaders are there, customers are happy because they know that if at all there would be some problem, there are people who take care of them. So customer confidence improves. Eighth reason going for a Six Sigma program is the person gains knowledge of the system. During the project, whatever actions are being initiated. Now to close the action, somewhere action is to relate to the system. Whether there is a change in SOP, that is standard operating procedure, or work instructions, 1-point lesson, control plan, anywhere we are making some changes, this needs to relate to the system, existing system, and there has to be control so that whatever actions are being taken, this is sustained. So the person understands many aspects of system, how to integrate the result and action to the system. Ninth reason going for a Six Sigma program is opportunity to work in different industries. If you are a Six Sigma certified green belt or black belt, you can work in any kind of industry because you know how to solve a problem. Does not matter much whether you are working in a service process or a manufacturing process. You can get people within the system who are technical expert of their processes. If you know problem solving approach, you can take them in your team and you can solve projects. So you can work in different kind of industry. Your exposure, your horizon widens. 10th reason going for a Six Sigma project is you gain knowledge of various processes. Now as a Six Sigma project leader, you can work in various projects. It doesn't matter whether you are working in a particular department, you can take project in other departments also, other functions also. Because you know how to collect data, how to identify a problem, how to form a team, and how to lead a project. So you can work in different kind of processes. 11th reason going for a Six Sigma program is stand out from the crowd. You being a Six Sigma leader, you have some different acumen. You know how to solve a problem, you have analytical skill, you gain some leadership skill, so you are a bit different from others. So you stand out from the crowd. You are being seen as a leader who knows how to tackle a problem. 12th reason, you get opportunity to interact with senior management team. Now since the project during the course of Six Sigma programs are mostly related to business processes, top management or senior managements are involved during the Six Sigma program. So you work along with them for identification of project, approval of the project, and during the course of the project also, the project are being reviewed by the senior management team. So you get to interact with them, present project progress to them. So you get many opportunities to interact with the senior management team and present your progress. So it's a good benefit for you to be in touch with the senior management team. 13th reason going for a Six Sigma program, it helps to improve the bottom line of the organization. 14th reason, better chance to get promoted. When you are working on a project or a program which directly relate to the organization's bottom line, directly close to the top management team, you work well, you give result, and you get better opportunity to get promoted fast. 15th reason, get better salary. Yes, when you are different from the crowd, you have analytical skill, you have leadership skill, you have financial acumen, then you are being treated in a different way. 16th reason going for a Six Sigma program, you get program management skills also. 17th reason, it improves your communication skills also. Now during the course of Six Sigma project, you have lots of written communication, verbal communication within the team, outside the team, with various stakeholders, with your customer, with your management. So certainly it improves your communication skills. 18th reason, it improves your presentation skills also. Like communication skill, you have lots of presentations also during the course of the Six Sigma project. So it improves your presentation skills. 19th reason, it improves organization's business processes. During the course of Six Sigma project, you work on business processes only because those areas are or those processes are close to the organization. And the last one, going for a Six Sigma program, it initiates and improves your quality improvement program. While working on the Six Sigma project, you get to understand your quality management systems also. And during the course of the project, you might find some flaws in your existing systems. Maybe your SOP is properly not defined, or it is defined but not being implemented properly. Your team member or the people working at the shop floor on machine, they are not properly being trained. So you might find lots of flaws in the existing manufacturing system or service processes. So you get to understand them, you take action to improve on them. So guys, these were 20 top reasons going for a Six Sigma program. I'm sure you must have understood why a company should sponsor for a Six Sigma program or why an individual should go for a Six Sigma program. It improves an individual, an organization in many ways. I myself am a certified Six Sigma Master Black Belt. I've worked in some of the multinational companies and I've seen various tangible and intangible gains to an individual, to various team members and to the organizations also. So thanks for watching guys. Put your comment in comment box. Share the video if you liked. Click on the like button also and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.